I'm getting this one. Yay, it's Maddie Milkberry approved.
So much perfume on. I've been doing this for like every sample. Hey Jack. You smell like.
Smell beautiful.
You know what you smell like? What's the name of the perfume?
You smell
Is it
like a good girl.
I'm a good girl. Great Britain.
I showered at the train station because I felt gross and greasy, and then I cut my finger open and it was dripping blood all over the train station floor.
Oh my god. It's got butterflies on it too. Like,
She's
I
really
actually have
drinking an
to.
energy drink as she goes to buy another one.
I just wanted to show you guys that it is 10:20 p.m. right now and it is so bright outside. Like, what? Like, I'm gonna like close the blind and go to bed, but like, that's wild. Hey guys, I just wanted to do a little check-in. Today is day 2 of being in Rotterdam technically. I arrived last night at about like 6 p.m. For someone who was traveling for 40 hours or like was awake for 40 hours, I was not that tired. Like it hit me like around like 10 p.m, like 10:30 I went to sleep, but I woke up at like 5 a.m. and I felt so good. Like I felt really well rested. I'm staying in the same hotel as Jack and Maddie and I'll be rooming with Soybeans. So I'm so excited to see Soy. She's getting here tonight at 9 p.m. so we're gonna see her later. The plan for the day is I'm gonna head over to drop my bags off at the hotel and then we're gonna go and explore. I am so excited to meet everybody. Okay, I'm gonna stop yapping. I will see you guys. I hope you enjoy the vlog. Okay, bye. Apples! Apples! Coffee! Public displays of affection. Ew! I found the mugs. Europe! Whee! Huge night. Oh my god, Soybeans and the camera.
Hello. Okay. Say hi. Let the little Osmo say hi. Yeah. She's got her own. just stream this.
Twitchcon!
Hi! Like and subscribe.
I'm just gonna walk around with my camera like this the entire time. Look at us vloggers.
In like 15 minutes.
We're gonna go have a little explore. We're gonna walk around. We're gonna see everything. Probably run into people crossing us. I hope people come up to us so we can actually like talk to people. That's some introverted bullshit. I'm joking.
We're gonna look around, and then I'm gonna come back and buy whatever the hell I want.
Look at the little guy. I must touch grass.
Thanks so much, bro.
Whoa.
Yeah, no, of course.
I feel like a new person. I got like a goodie bag of like sweet treats. I got it from Chris. And then I also got this from Trev. It's like a fantasy. Apparently it's a high fantasy novel, which is like so fun and exciting. I've just been like playing with the book all day. Twitchcon day 1 was a major success. I had genuinely such a great day. I actually think I might get this one because like this is so pretty.
Teeny tiny baby camera. We're so baby right now. We're so teeny tiny.
Shut up and play. You're getting it. You're getting it.
I haven't seen it. Am I winning? Who knows?
Well. It was a nail biter.
It was pretty fucking
But we
close.
always come out on top. We always come out on top. You win some, you lose some. And you lost.
It is time for the second time ever at TwitchCon for the MCC Championship.
Hey guys.
Bye, TwitchCon. Hi, vlog.
Hi vlog, I'm so sick.
Hi, vlog. Hey, food. Switch it. Switch it.
I got a hoodie.
Oh my god. Wait.
It's a pretty shit
That
spin. My
was-
bag's in the way.
Listen. What? You're filming? There's cameras here? Wee coffee, hot chocolate, chai.